Hello dear students, now we are going to start the basic functions of the placenta. First of all, placenta play a very important role to transport the nutritive things from the maternal blood towards the embryo. We know that this is the maternal blood and these are the chorionic villi. They absorb all types of nutritive things from the maternal blood and give to the embryo. So between these link, umbilical cord or play a very important role. So this is the basic and the important work of the placenta. Second, placenta also transport the gases. It transport oxygen from the maternal blood to the embryo or the fetus, and it take carbon dioxide from the embryo and give to the maternal blood. So in this way gaseous exchange takes place by the placenta. Now another important thing or important functions of the placenta is they release different types of hormones. For example, progesterone, estrogen, HCG, human chorionic gonadotropin hormones. It is also known as pregnancy hormones. जब लेडीज डिटेक्ट करती हैं यूरिन के थ्रू कि वो प्रेग्नेंट है या नहीं with the help of the pregnancy kit, so this hormones is responsible for the detection of the pregnancy कि पर्टिकुलर लेडी प्रेग्नेंट हैं या नहीं है. सो ह्यूमन कोरियोनिक गोनेडोट्रोपिक हार्मोन्स इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस. बेसिकली इट पास with the help of urine, always pass with the help of urine. So human chorionic gonadotropin hormones is also known as pregnancy hormones. After that another hormones is also secreted by this placenta which is known as HPL, human chorionic or human placental lactogen. So these progesterone, estrogen, human chorionic gonadotropin and human chorionic placental lactogen hormones, they always arise secreted by the placental part. Now another functions of the placenta act as like a barrier. Basically it act as like a barrier. ये एक तरह से क्या करता है, रुकावट की तरह काम करता है from fetus to the maternal blood and maternal blood to the fetus. But there are different types of substance, they have tendency to transfer from the maternal blood to the embryo or the fetus. These types of substances are known as transplacental substances. यानी ये transplacental substances होते हैं जो प्लेजेंटा के थ्रू एम्ब्रियो में जा सकते हैं. These substances are known as some drugs, HIV virus, nicotine and additive drugs. They can easily transfer from the maternal blood to the fetus. Another important functions. One word it is very important, remember it. Thethogens. एक क्वेश्चन बहुत बार पूछा जाता है, what are thethogens and why they are harmful. Thethogens, what are thethogens? Thethogens are basically they are harmful substances. They always move from the maternal blood to the embryo or the fetus. These substances from mother to the fetus always move and causes abnormal developments. ये क्या होते हैं, कुछ हार्मफुल सब्सटेंसेज जो मदर के ब्लड से fetus में चले जाते हैं और जो क्या करते हैं, एबनॉर्मल डेवलपमेंट के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ HG मरकरी अगर मैटरनल ब्लड से fetus के अंदर ट्रांसफर हो जाता है, then fetus may be suffering from a disease which is known as Minamata disease. And Minamata disease is responsible for the mental retardation. इसमें क्या होता है, मानसिक रूप से बच्चा कमजोर हो जाता है. Another important functions of the placenta. Placenta is responsible for the passive immunity. Passive immunity means it always by birth. जन्म से ही जो बच्चे को मदर के थ्रू मिल जाती है. इन शॉर्ट फॉर्म दे आर नोन एज IgG. एंड प्लेजेंटा ऑल्सो रिमूव डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजनस वेस्ट फ्रॉम द fetus में जितने भी नाइट्रोजनस वेस्ट बनते हैं वो प्लेजेंटा के थ्रू मैटरनल ब्लड में आते हैं और मैटरनल ब्लड क्या करता है, उनको बाहर निकालते रहता है. लास्ट एंड इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज रिलेटेड टू द प्लेजेंटा इज fully formed placenta develop or the fully developed placenta is related to the 11 week. It means 11 वीक में जो प्लेजेंटा होता है वो पूरी तरह से डेवलप हो जाता है एंड इट रिमेन्स थ्रू आउट द प्रेगनेंसी, और जो पूरी की पूरी प्रेगनेंसी तक साथ में रहता है. सो दीज आर द इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शंस ऑफ द प्लेजेंटा.